Hi everyone, Gus Velez here from Full Service Software. I'm with one of our customers here, Fabrizio, and just want to understand how it's been with him. Fabrizio, thanks for being with us
I
here.
appreciate that. Thank you.
And I understand that you've been using our software. What are some of the favorite things that you like about it that has helped you?
Right. So I've been using the software for about 5 years now.
Okay.
So a pretty long time. And I think I've seen the difference in between how it was at the beginning and nowadays. And I feel like the new feature that you guys added of being able to see how much the techs are spending on chemicals while working, it's pretty good. Because sometimes when you're working, you wait till the end of the week so you can see how much the techs are spending. But when you're on the job and seeing how much they're spending day to day, you can easily caught a problem at the moment instead of waiting till the end of the week to solve a problem.
Yeah, that's key, especially now with the rising cost of chemicals. Yeah, that's great. And what are some of the things that you think have helped you save time or money or anything like that? Anything you want to highlight? Or?
I think it's pretty useful how easy it is to manage the route inside the system itself, not only through the computer, but through your phone. It's a very easy to use software. It's nothing complex that you'll see it and take a while for you to learn and get used to it. Once you see it, it's pretty easy to get used to it and work with it.
Very good. Very much. Thank you for your feedback. We do also, want to continue improving the software and making it better for you guys. So I want to thank you for.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, excellent.